Welcome back, everybody. Get ready because today we are embarking on a high-octane journey right into the universe of data science. Now, if you're watching this explainer, you already know that data is literally everywhere. But actually understanding how to harness it, well, that's an absolute superpower. So let's dive right in together and uncover the origins, the massive modern rise, and the world-changing techniques behind data science and machine learning.
Nani? What exactly is data science? I mean, it's the ultimate question about this mysterious, world-changing power everyone keeps talking about, right? Is it just incredibly fast math? Is it artificial intelligence taking over the planet? To actually wield this power, we first have to understand exactly what it is, and just as importantly, what it isn't.
So, consider this your official quest log for today. 1. The data science universe. 2. Ancient lore and origins. 3. The modern power surge. 4. Data science versus machine learning. And 5. Ultimate techniques unlocked.
All right, phase 1, the data science universe, turning raw data into actionable business value.
Simply put, data science is the ultimate quest to forge raw, chaotic information into pure, focused business value. But to actually form this superpower, you've got to master and fuse together some core elements. We're talking math, statistics, specialized programming, and advanced analytics. It's the perfect fusion of these 4 pillars that gives a data scientist their true, unstoppable strength. Boom! When you combine those elements, you are suddenly uncovering hidden patterns in massive datasets. It's literally like unlocking a cheat code for a business. Organizations use these deep insights to guide their strategic decision-making and completely optimize their operational efficiency. Suddenly, they're seeing the matrix of their business, clear as day. Moving on to phase 2, ancient lore and origins, the hidden roots of data science. While it all feels incredibly futuristic, the hidden roots of data science are kind of like discovering a set of ancient dojo scrolls written by the original masters. Just look at this evolution. Back in 1962, the master John Tukey describes data analysis. Fast forward to 1974, and Peter Nauer officially drops the term data science. By 2001, William S. Cleveland establishes the academic discipline. And then by 2012, Harvard Business Review literally names it the sexiest job of the century. So yeah, the lore is deep. All right, phase 3, the modern power surge. Why is data science exploding right now? So you might be wondering, if it's been around for over 60 years, why is it suddenly everywhere? Well, it comes down to this first massive power-up. Massive data. We are talking about an unstoppable, overwhelming flood of raw data energy. Every single day, the internet, our smartphones, and all of our connected devices are generating practically infinite streams of information. But all that data needs somewhere to go, right? Which brings us to our next power-up, cheap storage. Thanks to the absolute magic of cloud computing, storing these massive, heavy datasets has become incredibly inexpensive. We suddenly have unlimited digital backpacks to hold all of this raw energy. And the final power-up, powerful hardware. Modern GPUs have officially stepped onto the battlefield. These graphics processing units act as the ultimate engines, processing incredibly complex mathematical algorithms in mere seconds. Without these blazing fast engines, unlocking those hidden patterns would literally take lifetimes. Which brings us to phase 4, data science versus machine learning, the dojo and the training room. Okay, it is time for the big battle of concepts. To clear things up, think of this as the difference between an entire dojo and one highly intense training room inside of it. Data science is the entire house. It's the broad, overarching process of collecting, cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing data. Machine learning, on the other hand, is just one room inside that house. It's a specific subset completely focused on building algorithms that actually learn from the data itself. Let's look at a real-world example to really lock this in. Think of your favorite streaming app. Data science is when the company analyzes your watch history alongside millions of others to build a massive regional trend report, basically deciding what shows to fund next. But machine learning, that is the specific algorithm that looks at what you just watched, learns your tastes, and instantly auto-recommends your next favorite movie right on your home screen. Finally, phase 5, ultimate techniques unlocked. Specialized fields for distinct problems. Now we get to branch out into some highly specialized fields. Think of these as the ultimate superpowers a fully leveled up data scientist can wield. The first is computer vision.
This literally grants machines the actual power of sight. By using digital images and videos, we are training computers to interpret and understand the visual world, identifying objects just like a human eye would. And here is the special move for computer vision: self-driving cars. By utilizing this technique, autonomous vehicles can instantly detect traffic lights, pedestrians, and lane markers in real time, safely navigating the chaotic streets. Incredible, right? Our second technique is natural language processing, or NLP. This is the incredible power of communication. NLP bridges the gap between human communication and computer understanding. It gives machines the extraordinary ability to understand, interpret, and even manipulate our chaotic human language. The special move here is actually something you probably use every single day. Smart assistants like Alexa or AI customer service chatbots, they use NLP to listen to your weird, perfectly human questions, understand the actual intent behind your words, and answer your queries flawlessly. Finally, we have the most mind-blowing superpower of them all: predictive analytics. This is literally the power to see into the future. By taking massive amounts of historical data and identifying deep patterns, we can forecast future events to determine risks and opportunities before they even happen in the real world. And this special move for predictive analytics, it acts like a lightning-fast defensive shield. Banks use this to track credit card transactions. By knowing your historical data patterns, the very second a suspicious charge happens halfway across the world, the system instantly blocks the fraudulent purchase before your money is even stolen. Boom. Level complete. We have journeyed through the universe of data science, uncovered its ancient lore, powered up with modern tech, and unlocked its ultimate techniques. You now understand the profound difference between data science and machine learning. But this brings us to the ultimate question. Now that you understand the mechanics of this world-changing force, how will you harness this ultimate data power in the future? Keep learning, keep leveling up, and I will see you in the next explainer.